If Discord keeps crashing on your computer, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a few simple fixes that can help get it working again. We'll start with the fastest checks first, then move into deeper troubleshooting steps that often solve the problem for good. And before we begin, if this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you should do is check whether Discord itself is having server issues. Sometimes the app looks broken, but the real problem is actually on Discord's side. To check this, open your browser and go to discordstatus.com. On that page, you can see if Discord is reporting outages, degraded performance, or any ongoing incidents. If everything looks normal there, then the issue is most likely on your device, so let's move on to the next fix. Now we want to completely close Discord, because just clicking the X button does not always shut it down fully. On Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and ESC together to open Task Manager. If Task Manager opens in the Simple view, click More Details if needed. Then look for Discord in the list of running apps or background processes. Right-click Discord and select End Task. This fully closes the program and clears out any stuck processes that may be causing the crash. After that, open Discord again and see if it still crashes. In many cases, a clean restart is enough to fix a temporary glitch. If Discord is still crashing, the next step is to turn off hardware acceleration. Hardware acceleration can improve performance, but on some systems it can also cause instability or constant crashing. To disable it, open Discord and go to User Settings, which is the gear icon near your profile at the bottom left. In the Settings menu, scroll down and click Advanced. Then find Hardware Acceleration and turn it off. Discord will ask you to relaunch the app, so go ahead and let it restart. Once it comes back up, test Discord again and check whether the crashing is stopped. If it still isn't fixed, we'll move on to clearing Discord's local files. Don't worry, this won't delete your account, but it can remove corrupted app data that may be causing the issue. First, press Windows and R at the same time to open the run box. In the field, type %appdata% and press Enter. This opens the app data roaming folder. Find the folder named Discord, right-click it, and delete it. Next, press Windows and R again, then type %localappdata% and press Enter. This opens the local app data folder. Again, find the Discord folder and delete it. These folders store cached files and settings, and if any of them are damaged, Discord can crash repeatedly. After deleting both folders, restart your computer and then reinstall or reopen Discord if needed. Once everything loads back up, sign in again and see if the problem is gone. Most of the time, one of these steps will stop Discord from crashing, especially if the issue was caused by a bad cache file, a graphics setting, or a stuck background process. If this tutorial helped, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.